good morning. Welcome back to the channel. This is like 97th day of practicing English, spoken English. So yesterday I was unable to upload a video because I have not recorded myself. Yesterday when I come in this room, upstairs in this room, so I did some kind of, I have like written this one. This is not tense, this is like I have described my daily routine kind of a thing. So this was the thing, and when I googled it, it was like very nice. There was no error. I can't say that there was no error, but the amount of error was very, very, very less, and I was happy about that. So today I am here on 96th day to record myself. And yesterday when I woke up, then the first thing which I do is this reading this book to I have read out the sentences so that I can improve I can improve my sentence structure. So reading is important. That is why I didn't read a kind of book. It is a translation book in which so many phrases are given which we generally use in our daily life. Like मुझे ज़्यादा इंतज़ार नहीं करना पड़ा. I didn't have to wait long. I didn't need to wait for long. So that is kind of a sentence which is given in this book, and it was like, if you will read this book, you will feel like the next sentence which I'm going to use is from this book. So I find it very, very like a good book. I don't know, I don't have part 2 of this book. I have read whole book. I have read all the pages of this book, but I'm not a pro. So if you are going to ask me a question from this book, I may be wrong, because I'm not a god and I'm not perfect in everything that I have read this book. Then I know everything, and that is nothing work like that. Am I right? Okay, let it be. Right now I woke up early in the morning. My father was he was shouting, not shouting, he was yelling. What can I say? Okay, he was talking loudly. He was saying something loudly to me. Will you not make lunch for me today? Will you not make lunch for me today? Hello, wake up. What are you doing? So that kind of sentences he was shouting and yelling at me to wake up, because he have to go to his work, and for that I need to give him lunch. So he was right in the morning, he was yelling at me that give me lunch, prepare my lunch and everything. So I wake up. I was calm that time. I was the time, what is time going on? It was 6:18, and then I woke up. I was like, damn. And let me tell you one thing, that today I cooked ladyfinger fry, and along with that I prepare 10 chapatis, because he don't think that he eat too much, but it is lunch for 2 times, because where my father do job, the timing of the job is on alternate days. You will do the work on alternate days. If he is going to work today, if he has gone right now, then he will come next day at 12 am or 1 pm. You understand? It is like that kind of a work. And then yesterday he will take a leave. Tomorrow he will take a leave, Then day after tomorrow he will go to the job, and then the very next day there is his leave. So that kind of a thing he work, that kind of like work he does. So for one day he took 10 chapatis for 3 times. So like 2 times. Right in the morning he haven't eaten anything. He haven't have anything other than a tea. Tea is necessary for him. I was like, he is not asking for tea today. So I skipped the thing that I was like, I don't prepare tea right now because he is not asking for it. So I was like, let it be. When I come upstairs in my room, I was just plugged out my charger from the phone. Then I heard some sound, like a lighter kind of sound. He was like trying to lighten the gas, but he was unable to do that because I have closed the knob of the cylinder, and he was not aware of that, and he was just continuously like just pushing the lighter so that the gas lighten up, but it was not happening. I was like, where is this sound coming from? I asked who is in the kitchen, is there anyone in the kitchen? He was like, why the gas is not lightening? I was like, what do you want in the kitchen? I have already prepared the lunch and given to you. I have already packed the lunch and give it to you. So he was like, I want to drink tea. So I was like, you need to tell me then that you want tea. Why are you like doing and you are not unable to do? Then why you are doing this? And let me tell you one thing, he know how to cook, but he don't know how to cook like a tea. He know, but the amount of tea, like a tea leaf, he added, it become like when you will taste the tea, it will become bitter. Like it's literally you will hate that. But he loved that. So it was like he also don't like that. He asked me a question, why when I cook, then the taste of the tea is like very bitter, and when you cook like prepare tea, it tastes good. I was like, you add lot of tea leaves, that is why this is the problem which you are like doing. He was like, I think that I add small amount of tea and everything, whatever. So I went down in the kitchen, downstairs in the kitchen, and then I switched on first of all I turn on the knob of the cylinder, and then I let in the gas, and he has already taken he in the morning he don't drink like milk tea, he drink like lemon tea. So he was like, he has taken the amount of water he want. Then I went down, I took the saucepan, and then I added little amount of what we call tea leaf, and then I added sugar in it. And if you are going to make lemon tea specially, then you have to like add tea in lesser amount, like very little amount, and then after you have to add like more sugar. And if you it when it will get boiled, then you will add like a lemon, whatever, however, like I add like 7 to 6 drop of lemon in one cup. So I prepared the tea and I gave it to him. He drank that, and then he went to his job, whatever job he is doing, and I just closed the door. I come upstairs in this room, and now I am recording myself. So this was the whole scenario from morning till now, whatever I did. So I don't know what's to talk next, but I am also, I don't know why I'm taking so many pauses in between, but let it be. So I don't know why my head is like scratching a lot. Let it be. I keep on saying let it be, let it be, let it be, but what to let it be? We can't let anything be. Sorry. Can't let it anything happen. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, I'm in loop right now. I keep on saying the same thing again and again. I don't know what to do. So help me out of this problem. Whew. Other than this, reading a book, I am talking to Google Gemini these days because it is very important for me, and it is like talking to Google Gemini, it is also boosting my confidence, and I'm loving it. So that's all for today's video. Till then, bye guys.